Does your farm or agribusiness struggle to keep up-to-date machine maintenance records? With Safe Ag Systems, this is made easy. Using your Safe Ag Systems app, your maintenance records can be checked and updated instantly with voice to text.
Coolant empty, needs refilling.
This allows you to spot any issues that may have gone unnoticed by your workers, like coolant that has been refilled 3 times in a month. Using Task Manager, you can then send an instant message to fix the issue before it becomes costly for your business. Keep safe, keep farming.